Hey there, this is Zachary again in Black Frame World. I had this idea for on my camera so that there's not so much wind blowing into the microphone. I decided I'm going to try to modify the microphone input to my camera by super gluing a piece of, I guess like foam, like insulating foam, I guess, I don't know. Um, so the sound still gets in, but the wind doesn't blow. So I don't know. We'll see how that works, and I'll keep you updated. Some scissors and my camera. This is where my microphone is right now, and so I'm gonna cut the foam to fit around the space, which I already cut. So it'll go in like that over top, and then I'm just gonna put some hot glue around here on the outside, and then just glue the foam on there over top. So hopefully that blocks out the wind noise. Alright, I don't know if you can see this, but I took my little felt marker and I outlined around where the foam is so I can get the inside of the foam area with hot glue without going over top of the microphone, because that would really suck. Hey, so my cord's not long enough for my hot glue gun, so I'm just gonna heat it up in the wall, and I'm just gonna bring it over. So I got one shot at this. If it works, then that'll be great, and if it doesn't, I can always pull it off. So okay, there it goes. So I'm putting the glue in the area around the hole, not near the hole. Got the foam. Just push it on, and hope that works. Please work. So we'll find out when we get outside, I guess. There's the finished product. It doesn't look fantastic or sleek or sexy, but it's just to be functional.